Should you be using ads on your blog when you're just starting out? Well, that's a very good question considering the fact that you don't have that much traffic and you don't really have anyone visiting your site. And ask yourself, are you actually trying to monetize it? Well, you probably may want to think again because it is a good idea to actually put ads on your blog even if you're just starting. So here's one of the reasons why. If you plan on monetizing your blog later on down the line, this is a good chance to actually just get started. Who knows, maybe you'll make a sale or two. It really doesn't hurt to start doing it early on. I mean, you never know what may actually come out of it. Also, what's the most important thing is that if you actually are, like I said, planning on monetizing your blog, then what you want to do is you want to get your readers used to actually seeing those ads. There's nothing worse than having your blog up for an entire year. Now you're driving traffic, you decide to actually put ads on your blog, and then people get a little confused in terms of navigating through your blog. And sometimes it can get confusing because I go to a lot of different blog sites and they have so many ads. It's like stuffing the ads on the blog, which is really annoying and you can't really find the content. So you can start putting ads on your blog early on, and what it does is it just gets the reader very used to actually seeing those ads, and it's not such a shock when you actually put those ads on your blog. And like I said, later on down the line when you decide to apply to different ad networks, this just actually makes it much more easier. You're already used to it, and maybe you'll end up putting some Google ads on your blog. You can start off doing that early on as well. So yes, it is okay to actually put ads on your blog early on. I think it's a really good idea. All right guys, well, I just have that tip for you today. I'll see you in the next video.